All right, me and them are having to put this paw light in, and it happened to fit perfect. Like I said, I just bought this randomly, so it fit in there. I just measured the size basically. So the housing in the way holds it. Hold on, let me put it away from the sunlight. This is the OEM housing, and this part fits in perfectly. What holds it is the bolt that hooks up to the valence. So we're gonna swap the other one in. Here's how it looks stock. Before, after. Here's the finished product with the valence and the lights. I went with, like I said, I went with the yellow fog lights. It does have a scratch right here. I'm gonna try to fix that, beat it out. Dent right here. It's not that bad, but I'm pretty sure that front plate would cover this, the tag plate, the tag cover. But I'm gonna still beat it out. That looked like an easy fix. And right here is just scratched up. Like I said, it's better than the bumper I have right now that's all rusted up. But it looks pretty cool. It looks decent. I mean, I wonder how it's gonna look. May look ugly, may not. We're gonna find out. And I'm gonna keep it there too, I don't care. Oh, the bumper. I'm gonna see how it looks before and after. All right. Here's the bumper. Cleaned up. I done wired it in. I used the stock wire harness that came with the Tahoe. I took the bumper and the wiring harness. Basically, I just ended up cutting the connection off to make the connection for the LED bulbs. The housing fit in perfect, like I said. I did have to make this hole bigger, but other than that, that's it. Wiring's gonna go through there, and I'm gonna hook up a relay. Hook up to a toggle switch inside the truck to control these lights. I was gonna hook them up to the headlights, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking about it. We'll see. The old one's over here. I'm in a new grill. I didn't know the front part was cracked. I'm still pop it in, but I'm gonna get a new one soon. Bumper's on. I ended up hooking the wiring off the parking light stationary wire, basically a power and a ground source. Just the stock wiring harness for the lights. One connection there, and the other one's right here. One in there. Pretty simple. Turns on with the parking lights. There it is. All right, let me put everything back together. Here it is with the lights on. Looks nice. I do like the way it lights up. I'm gonna wash up the truck and see how it looks. Here it is with the parking lights on only. And let me get a shot with all the lights on, low and high. Here it is with all the lights. So far the fog lights, I like them. I mean, it doesn't make the truck look nicer, nor does it give it that, nor does it make it look ugly. It's right there. It's right there in between, I'll say.
Nice.
But I like them because it's something different. It's not something common I'll see, and it is an OEM original Tahoe Limited bumper 2000. So, all right, on to the next. If you like the stuff I'm giving out, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.